In today's video, let me show you how to enable a new voice typing in Word. Hello everyone, welcome back to Quick Helper. So let's start this tutorial. First, come to the bottom of your computer and click on search button. After that, type in speech recognition and go through the step process. Now select the microphone you use and click next. Then make sure it is set up properly and proceed. After that, read the text provided and click next in here. Choose if you want to enable document review and press next again. Now place your cursor where you want to start typing in Word. Next, click on the microphone icon in the speech recognition window. Finally, start speaking and your words will be transcribed into the document. And that's it. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.